In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your ChatGPT chats efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your chat management, making it easier to locate and manage your conversations. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to Google on your browser. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This is a quick way to navigate to the ChatGPT website if you haven't bookmarked it yet or don't have it saved in your favorites. Once the search results load, click on the link to the official ChatGPT website. You'll want to make sure that you are on the correct site to ensure that you can access all the features necessary for organizing your chats. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, look for the Projects tab. This is where you'll be doing all of the organizing, so go ahead and click on it. The Projects section is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to cluster related chats together, making it significantly easier to manage and sort through them later. Now that you're in the Projects area, it's time to create a new project. In the designated field, type your title. This is an important step as it allows you to label your group of chats with a name that's easy to remember and relevant to the contents, making navigation a breeze in the future. Once you've settled on a suitable title, hit Create Project. This will save your project, and you'll be set to start organizing your chats under this new label. With your project created, the next step is to organize the individual chats. Find the chat you want to move and click on the three dots next to it. This usually acts as a More Actions button across various platforms and provides additional options for your chats. After clicking the three dots, select Move to Project from the drop-down menu. This effectively sorts your chat into the project folder you just created, helping to keep your workspace clean and orderly. Finally, select the appropriate category for the chat within the project. Click on Work or any other label available that best fits the content of the chat. Organizing is all about making sure you can find things when you need them, so put a little thought into how you label and group things. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully organized your ChatGPT chats, making them much easier to navigate and manage. Remember, staying organized can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency, especially when handling a large volume of information. Feel free to repeat these steps for any additional chats you have, and enjoy the benefits of a tidy and well-organized chat system.